gasket on.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, she's gonna get pretty hot.
I wonder if we should have a jug of water.
We got
Pour on
snow.
once in a while. Yeah, that's snow.
Yeah.
Fuck up the road,
We
is
have
it?
snow already.
Yeah, you had to end the last one.
Pull that rubber hose out of the way too. That's fucking nice.
I'll be gentle.
Snow in there yet?
Yeah. Good as new. Better than new. There's nothing holding that thing together.
Isn't that crazy? Zap these couple spots where we flip it upside down.
Yeah, I'll pull it back. Then.
Back towards you.
Yeah.
Here's broken.
See it?
Oh yeah.
Same on the other side.
On the fuel tank.
No. Below the fuel tank. I think just zap
Can we
that.
can we back this off and just put something underneath it?
Yeah, we could do that.
Even sleeve just a chunk of aluminum under here, just so that I'm not directly melting into the tank.
Okay. Loose those bolts off, Gary.
There's some wrenches.
You need 14, I think it is.
Are they in the trailer?
Yeah. All the tools are there. Thirteen? 13.
All this is on video?
Yeah.
By somebody else? Or is it like a helmet cam?
It's a phone. Oh, his,
No.
his crash?
Yeah.
It's not on video, but it's all after the math is.
Where do you end up?
I'll lift it up.
Oh, that's perfect.
Grab a piece of wood stuff under there. Grab a piece of wood. You got one? You can probably weld the whole thing now. Is it broken on the other side too?
No. Just on the one side.
Get a spacer in that.
Almost. Who's this?
Hi, Garrett.
Hey.
Who let the
Cora?
dogs out?
You stay here. Yeah, you might have to lift that up and move it to the left a little bit. They'll be fine. They'll want to stay here anyways. Yeah, let's just lift the whole thing up. Cora, enough. There's a 4x4 there on the ground. Yeah, it should go right there. Don't worry. Get that other sheet of aluminum. it off the tank. Hi. 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 You coming out? Not get a close-up of what that was.
You missed.
That's weird.
What's the deal?
You're telling me. That's steel.
That plate is steel?
That plate is stainless steel.
Hmm.
Good thing I can switch on the fly.
You actually got stainless steel on there?
I sure do. China.
You got a magnet?
Magnet won't stick to stainless. No iron in it. Cheap stainless, yes.
is that?
I don't know. It's not stainless. I can't even weld to that.
Alright, don't worry about it then. It's not broken right off.
Like I know nothing's dirty and I can't even fuse to it at all.
Weird.
And there's a steel bolt in it.
Yeah.
So it should be aluminum.
I don't think it's a real important piece anyways. And it's not broken right off.
Well, those ones are easy to drill out and just re-rivet.
Yeah.
Right? Like can you still get those?
Those plates?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably got a few of those on other machines.
Yeah, sorry, that's a new one.
Alright.
I'm just wondering what it could be.
It could be 30 series aluminum.
Oh. You can't weld it up?
No. No, I need like a 18 or $20,000 fix for that. So I can set my parameters and really
Oh
try.
yeah, you need those spacers in there.
Hey, Munchkin. Hey.
Other way.
No, you're fine out here. No, you're fine out here. Mom just doesn't want to be out with Miles. Yeah. Okay. She's just watching me. Yeah, I guess last time we were here, I was still on mat leave, so he must have been like
Yeah.
a month old.
Yeah, a month or two.
Yeah. I thought he could stay out here. He can stay out. He thought you were telling him to come back in.
I was.
Oh.
Because I told him to just come out for a few minutes.
Oh.
Because I don't know what you guys do.
Welding.
I know, but you're probably not paying attention to him.
He's just standing there watching.
Back it up with some again.
He'll be okay.
There, I think. Now go towards the door.
This way?
Go towards the door first, then tip it up.
Well, this will be nice. There's no skis on it.
Right? Ready?
Sounded like some new hardware. Yeah, those bars gonna be okay though like that?
Or even go more upside down if you want.
Why? Because it's seeing works.
Yeah, just go down a cliff.
What is going on there? Look at the Chinese horse.
Right?
Made it lighter for you so it's a bit faster. Holy.
Next project.
That's hardly even a project. That's nothing like the last one. The last one had skis on it. I had to try and weld around.
I know, right?
This one's just a little bent.
Nothing. A couple pry bars aren't gonna fix.
Oh.
Easy peasy.
You want more upside down?
Sure.
Work.
You better be on this thing Saturday.
Yeah, I hope so. That's alright.
Oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's always oil in the bottom of this thing.
That's fine.
It's sat upside down for.
That's probably where it needs to sit.
It's like that. We got to bend these down into it.
These
Yeah,
have to
if
come
we
together.
unbolt this, you can see these studs are bent, so we might want to straighten those.
I can just clamp it the way it is.
Got a hammer. That big sledgehammer there.
What are we hammering?
Just that nut. Straighten it out.
Oh,
Yeah,
I got
these
you.
are
Both
super
studs
bent.
are actually bent in there.
Yeah. You want to pull the bolt off first, Dad?
Not really.
Well, then we can put it back on and then hit it. Just so we know it's straight on the.
Watch your fingers.
Wait, that's not.